Microfiber towels are one of my favorite cleaning tools, but did you know there's a right and wrong way to wash them? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share 5 tips to not only get your microfiber towels clean, but also keep them working great. Let's get started. If your towels have seen better days, kind of like this one, don't throw them away. Stick around to the end because I have a solution to bring them back to life. Now, before we start washing anything, it's key to properly sort your microfiber towels. Microfiber should always be washed alone in a separate load. If you wash it with something like cotton towels, what's gonna happen is the cotton will transfer to the microfiber, creating a linty mess, and we don't want that. So wash them separately. Plus, while I'm sorting my towels, I'll even give them a quick shake outside if I notice some that are full of dust or debris. That way I don't bring that into my washing machine. So the next step is to choose the right cleaner. Now, I suggest using a dye and scent-free detergent. This one here from Tide works great. Now, do you have to use this? No, you can use a regular detergent, but I've just found that my microfiber towels work better and last longer when I use a detergent with no additives. Now, this is where things get serious. Now, if you take anything away from my video today, I hope it's that you should never, ever use bleach or fabric softener when washing your microfiber towels. Bleach will actually affect the individual loops of the microfiber, causing them not to work as well. And fabric softener will affect the fabric's ability to conduct static electricity. And microfiber uses static electricity to actually pull all the dirt and grime from the surface so easily. So don't use these things, please, I'm begging you. Now, if you're looking to sanitize your towels, maybe let's say you just cleaned a very nasty toilet, I suggest using OxiClean sanitizer. So we sorted our towels, got the right cleaner, now it's time to wash. What I like to do is use the normal setting with warm water. If your towels are really dirty, you can even use a soak function. Let them sit for a bit before you start the load. So once the wash has completed, it's time to get the towels nice and dry. Now, a fun fact about microfiber is it does not like heat. Heat can actually melt the fibers, causing permanent damage to the towels. So to get them dry, I suggest using a no heat option on your dryer or hang dry them. Now, this will take a little bit longer, but both of those options won't cause any damage to the towels. But what if you've tried all of these things and your towels still don't look clean and they're not working as well? Well, let's give them a little TLC. To rejuvenate your tired towels and bring back some of that microfiber magic, I suggest to soak them in a bucket of warm water with 2 cups of white vinegar. Now, because microfiber works so well, it kind of acts like Velcro sometimes and can hold on to residual cleaners and even dirt. So the vinegar is actually going to dissolve and break down and remove that from the fibers, and is gentle enough where it's not going to cause any damage. Let them soak for a bit, then wash the towels like normal, and you should be good to go. Pro tip. Now, to prevent cross-contamination, I like to use specific colors for certain cleaning tasks around the house. For instance, I will use orange towels to clean my toilet. That way I know to never use an orange toilet towel on my countertops. Oh God, they're on there right now. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you have any cleaning questions, drop a comment below and I'll help you clean that up.